targets are chest, shoulders, and core muscles. So with this exercise, we start with the regular plank position as control yourself up into the standing plank position, back to your plank position, and up again. Make sure you do this as controlled as possible. And let's get down. Make sure you keep your core engaged and your glutes as well. Okay, keep going. Alright, that's it. Alright, so now let's take 20 seconds of rest and prepare for the second exercise, which is the Superman W pull, which is a great exercise for squeeze your back. One and go. Arms up, lower back, move a little bit off the floor. That's one. One, squeeze your back. Hands control. Keep going as possible. Make sure you keep your neck down to a neutral position. Really try to squeeze your back. And move a little bit off the floor while you squeeze your back. Alright, keep going. 10 seconds left. Come on. That's right. Alright, great work. Now, let's prepare for the next exercise, which is the alternating lunge. So while you take some rest, I'll explain the next exercise, which is great for our quadriceps and the glute. So you step forward, you go down until a 90-degree angle in both of your knees. You push back up, try to slide and do it on the other side as well. Feel your knees, you ready? Touch your forward with me in breath. 3, 2, in this case, you're making sure you move every breath nice and controlled. Watch your breathing. Try to slightly feel your knee touching the floor with each rep. In this case, you're making sure you're doing every rep as controlled as possible. Keep going. 5 seconds. Last rep. Alright, great work. So now the next exercise, number 1 on the list, is the dead bug, which is great for our lower back. Alright, so we go back down on both yours, and we bring our opposite repetition and foot in the other. All the way as straight as possible, and back up. Try to point your foot with each repetition, and make sure not to arch your lower back too much, but really keep your glutes engaged. So squeeze your glutes while you're in the end range of this exercise. And raise your arm parallel with your shoulder, like this. Okay, a few more repetitions. Last one. Alright, great work. Now let's move on to the final exercise, which is the tucked hollow body rock. And we'll start in a tucked hollow body. Make sure your shoulders are off the ground forward, like this. This will really touch the shoulder stability in behind your lower back. Always side. In 3, 2, 1, and 40 seconds. So make sure your shoulders are off the ground. Don't let them touch the floor. And your lower back is always in contact with the floor. So don't arch your lower back. If that's the case, tuck your knees in even more, which makes it easier.